Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I didn't plan anything. I just came to share a story because today I encountered a story at the grocery store and I said, let me talk about it. Maybe it will resonate with someone. That could be you. If you're new here, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, in USA. I'm very passionate about taking our life to the next level, doing things while we can. That's the reason I'm recording this video. Now, today, I went to the gym and then I went to grocery shopping. It's called Giant right here. And all the time, whenever I go to the gym, I pass by, I say, oh, pick up some milk, something missing at home. So there's this lady, her name is Nancy, and she's been there for a long time. Like she always opens. They open at 6 a.m., right? So she's always there, we talk. And the last time I saw her, like after COVID time, I said, oh, how are you doing? She said, yeah, but you see, my husband died. So that was a sad moment. She told me about that. And the reason I'm recording this today is because when I went today, she wasn't there. She didn't die, but she wasn't there. There was another older one still. And I said, okay, where is she? He said, no, you know, she retired. I said, really? Because she had told me when her husband died that she had to work because now I even have to work more because my husband has died and there's no money. So she was working. And now she's not there. And I was told because she couldn't stand that long. She was a cashier. And for the first time, I didn't even know her real age. This one said, you know, she was 80. She couldn't stand that long to be a cashier. And I remembered my other conversation with her, the last time I saw her. Because she had said she's forced to work now that her husband has died. Now, for me, because I always quoted my mother. I say, what if we're not here to support her? How would she be? Because my mother is very old. Back in Uganda, where I originally come from, she can't even walk. And she used to be a very hard-working woman. My point is, what are we going to do to prepare for such moments? Now, if she couldn't work anymore, and remember she was working because she needed the money. She's 80 years old. How is she going to take care of herself? That's why I say, please, let's do things while we can. Let's create multiple sources of income. Let's automate some money to make sure that even when we are, like creating a YouTube channel like this one, it could pay you some money. Google could pay you some money while you're like, when you are home, like you can't work anymore. And also work like this, you could work until, because you're not forced to stand. You can do whatever you want. You could just be there telling stories and people watch your stories. You see what I mean? So I'm inviting you to come learn this kind of work we do. Come learn how to work online. Robert Kiyosaki, these books are always here. You can't see them there, but they're always here on the side. He told us the only way we're going to manage life, especially at that age. Can you imagine 80, struggling, business owner, investor. Business owner, investor. Because now she was an employee. Employee is not going to cut it. Because now she left. There's no income coming in. So, but if you're a business owner, that means you set up, maybe you come online here and set up some systems and everything is automated. Get some money in the bank. Investor, yes, that works too. So, what do you think about that? The reason I pressed record here is I said, let me share this because I say it all the time. Please come learn. What I do here, which is easier than other things, is called affiliate marketing. So we promote other companies' products to earn commissions. Any company online that's big, Amazon is the easiest to start with. And those companies are going to ask you for, okay, where are you going to promote from? They don't like just social media. They like when you say, I have a YouTube channel or I have a website. So it's not easy to just wake up and have a website, but you could wake up and have YouTube. Because if you can watch me here on YouTube, that means you have an account. You can start YouTube as soon as today. Now, recently, right before this video, there is a video I recorded where someone who's done affiliate marketing for a while decided, because maybe after seeing how people are struggling to do this, made it easier for them. He made all options available. Options to record videos for you, option to set up things for you, you just copy. So things are easier, and he's explaining all the affiliate marketing secrets in just 1.5 hours. So what I'm going to do here, I'm link that video below because I was explaining this program. Go learn. This is international. The learning part is international, but taking action is not for everyone. So I'm going to explain in that video that why I want you to connect with me, because depending on where you are, some programs we talk about here are not available, but I know what's available for you. And me, because I care about this stuff, by the way, I'm 56. That's why I see me passionate about being older. I know the time is limited to be doing all this. So we have to do it while we can. I support you. I don't charge anything to get you set up. Like whatever you're comfortable with. And now with this Brian, the one I'm suggesting, he recorded this video for you. If you don't want to record videos, you can use his videos. If you want to learn to record videos, that's where I come in. We'll support you. And I ask you, so when you go watch the video that I have on the description, even in the pinned comment, connect with me. I'll show you how to connect with me. And I'll take you on Zoom. I'll support you. The only thing I require is that you're really serious. Tony Robbins said, I was talking about him recently on my live, the reason we fail, the reason we don't do what we want to do, we don't do it, we don't believe. We don't believe in ourselves. We don't believe it will work. Now, I want to believe on your behalf that it will work for you, but I want to ask you to put 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes a day consistently, you can do the things we do. You're going to start by watching that video, the one I put in the description. Then you go watch Brian, 1.5 hours. You get to me, I'll see what we can do. The message is, are we ready for the 80-year-old? I don't think you are 80 yet, are you? You're not 80 yet. Are you ready for that time? Because for her, she used to work this job while her husband was alive. I think her husband died like somewhere after COVID. So now she was so scared. She said, now means I have to work even more. And now she can't work. She can't work. That's a sad story. Okay, she's not dead, she's alive, but you can imagine, without that paycheck coming in, what's going to happen to her. Let's work on our situations before we get to that moment. Let's automate some money. This internet is a miracle, is what I call it. Okay, so go watch a video that I recorded recently. It's in the description of this one. It's also in a pinned comment. And then I'll show you how you get to me. I want to support you. Learn this affiliate marketing. You just promote. You're going to choose from the health, of the wealth, or relationships. You'll see, we'll find something you care about. I care about wealth. I care about wealth, and now I'm adding in some other things, but mostly wealth. Because when you have the money, then other things become easier, right? You have options, okay? And you're going to do all this working from your home or from anywhere you choose. Laptop, get a smaller laptop. This one is big. Get a small one, you put in a bag, internet, you work. That's fun, but you have to learn fast. You have to learn fast. That's why there's that 1.5 hours. You watch that, and then we'll get you set up. And yeah, taking some action so that you prevent this poverty, is what I call it. Poverty, and whatever amount you have right now, it's never enough. If there's no money coming in, it's never enough, because you never know what could happen. Money has to keep flowing in, okay? Like I always end these videos, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your family, take very good care of your health. This wasn't a planned video.